How can he do this? What should I do now? A single girl checking in a hotel does not look good. Tell me, what will people think about me?
Now, how do I know what people think of you?
Forget about people. What will you think of me?
Hey, hello.
Hi. How are you doing?
Me, it means? I'm fine. Hey, hello. Have we met before?
Isha,
Isha, what means? Tell me, have we met before?
you ask such naughty questions.
Hey, lady. We have asked a simple questions. Have we met before?
No. You asked where did we met before? Now you asked have we met before?
Is it? Sorry. Tell me, have we met before?
Why are you asking this?
Hey, you ask me how I am doing on seeing me. So, I ask you in a similar way.
Oh, okay. Not like that. Is the general norm to greeting each other so?
Oh, okay. So, tell me, have we met before?
No, absolutely not. Myself Sushma Taude Gaude.
Taude Gaude? For the first time, I am hearing such a joint surname. Either the surname is Taude or either the Gaude.
Hey, not like that. You see, my mother's home surname is Taude or my future in-laws will be Gaude.
Oh, yes, it means you are married.
40% yes.
40% marriage. Such a marriage is also valid.
I have come from Fursungi.
So what?
Isha.
Hey sister, just ask a simple question and again you are blushing.
Isha?
Again that.
Isha, our honeymoon is planned.
In 40%?
For sure 100%.
Yes, that's right. Once honeymoon happen, it will not only 100% but 1000% will happen.
Isha?
Please don't blush. Where is he? Where is your 40% mister?
Isha, you talk such nonsense. Parsha has arrived from Vadala this morning. In which ward is he? Has he got a special ward book?
What? Special? Hey lady, has you come for a honeymoon or maternity?
Isha, you talk such nonsense things.
I am not talking anything nonsense. You are talking nonsense, auntie. This is a hotel, not a hospital here. There are rooms, not wards.
Okay. Sorry. In which room is Parsha staying?
No one named Parsha or Birsha has arrived here.
How is it possible? Parsha Gowde means Prashant Gowde. His name must be in your register. Check it properly once.
Hey sister, no need of checking it. No one customer has checked in since morning.
Hey, you are not lying?
Why would I be lying?
How can Parsha do this? Is he trying to cheat me? If he is trying to cheat me, then I will kill him. You can told him that.
Me? I have not seen him in my entire life.
Hey, not you. How can he do this? What should I do now? A single girl checking in a hotel does not look good. Tell me, what will people think about me?
Now, how do I know what people think of you?
Forget about people. What will you think of me?
What I am thinking is, please cool down. Call him on his mobile number. Maybe he is a 40% on the road and you must have reached a bit earlier, isn't it?
Yes, we'll do that. Oh no, my mobile battery is dead. Now what I do? Parsha is a such a...
Don't cry. Take it, my mobile, and call him.
Thank you so much. Hey, Parsha's number is not saved on your phone.
Obviously, it won't be saved.
Why? You didn't save his number?
Why should I save? I don't even know him.
Oh yes. Once he arrives, I will introduce him to you. Then you save his number. But now what to do? I do?
You must have his number saved. 40%, your husband.
Yes, I remember the number.
Then type the number and call him.
Huh. Hello Parsha. Where are you? I have come down alone for honeymoon. Let it be. Where are you right now? What are you planning now? How does it matter whose number is this? And why did that number connect? These are irrelevant questions. Where are you right now? Tell me. Okay. Come fast. Parsha, I'm waiting for presents. Okay, hanging up. Now he has gotten down from station bus now.
Is it? You can sit here. Wait for him. Till then our manager, Mota Bhai, will come.
Why is he needed? Parsha is needed now.
Hey, our hotel manager works here. Obviously he will come here. If he does not arrive, how will you get the access to room?
Yes. Tell him to come quickly. He also must have got down from the bus, no?
No, he never boarded the bus. He has just gone for some bank related work. He will be here shortly. Keep waiting. If he doesn't arrive, inform me.
Why should I inform you? If he does not arrive, are you planning for honeymoon?
Oh God, it is difficult communicating with you. Parsha is a great soul. Parsha will arrive, and if he doesn't, I will find him from Patal. Don't worry. I have some work. I will leave now.
Where is Mr. Lele?
How do I know?
How do I know? Then what the hell are you doing here?
What I am doing here? I have not come here for observe Mr. Lele. I am not watching him 24/7.
Such an ill-mannered lady she is.
She does not know how to talk properly with customers.
You might be the customer of this hotel. I am not.
Hey, listen, but you work here, right?
Where it is I am. There is none of your business. And Mr. Lele is not a Parsha, okay? I am not looking his face. Understood?
Hey, stupid. Don't try to defame Mr. Lele by comparing him to some filmy hero.
Which film? Parsha is the name of my 40% husband.
40% husband means?
Means 60% formalities are pending.
That's all right. But now you're working here, right? So concentrate on this work.
What?
What means? Just tell me in which room Mr. Lele had checked in. We are not asking to keep an eye on him or observe his face daily. We have just asked your work related questions.
मेरा काम? ओह, अरे नहीं नहीं नहीं, मैं कुछ इस होटल की वर्कर नहीं हूँ, मैं भी कस्टमर हूँ.
अरे लेकिन फिर यहाँ रिसेप्शन काउंटर के पीछे क्यों खड़ी हो?
Oh, I was just wandering around and reached here unexpectedly.
Listening here is just like a place of a wonderland.
The job is done. Hey, something's wrong. Some sort of confusion. This is not our hotel. Hey, Ram Bharose, you also got confused, isn't it? This is not our hotel. We have arrived at a different hotel.
मोटा भाई, I am not confused. This is our hotel.
Yes, this is our hotel. Hey, reception desk was empty for some time, and look, there are 3 ladies already here. Do you know what this means? Our hotel is either getting popular or social media presence is powerful.
No. It's not like that, Mota bhai. These are our hotel customers. I will leave now. Have a lot of work to be done.
I will look after him. Sorry, gentle ladies. You had to wait some time. How can I help you?
Lele. Mr. Lele, where is he?
Please ask her which room has he checked in?
Huh? Mr. Lele, right? He is in room number 111. Huh? Who are you?
Mrs. Lele. Lele's daughter.
Great. But I don't get it. How will all of you manage in a single room? Huh?
And we'll let you know. In case we need, we can get an extra bed, right?
Yes. But then Mr. Lele will have to sleep on the floor.
That will decide and let you know.
But what about our luggage?
Huh? What will happen to your luggage?
Nothing has happened to our luggage.
Then?
But need someone to carry the same to our room, right?
Always there, madam. We have the staff for the same, but they have not arrived yet. But don't worry. The room is just near here, not far from here.
Come on, dear Sukanya. Let's carry our luggage on our own.
Okay.
What about you, madam?
Isha, I'm here for the honeymoon.
Huh? Single person? Single bed? Huh? Your husband has not arrived yet?
Yes, he's arriving. I mean, he's on the way. He's coming from different place, so I'm waiting for him.
Oh, okay. You continue waiting for him. I will look after my work.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, life is so different nowadays. Husband and wife arrive separately for their honeymoon? Or is it that different couple arrive for their honeymoon? Unable to understand this.